Okay guys, so this is my first time ever trying to make pants out of a skirt, pants out of a skirt, and it was a fail at first, but then the turnaround was great. Keep watching. I really didn't know what I was doing right here. I thought I was doing it right, but it didn't look right. So I kept trying. Y'all, this is where I just knew I was messing up, but I was just trying to figure out another way to make the pants, but this is the hard way of making pants when you have cut 4 pieces of fabric instead of 2. Okay, so I finally figured it out, and here's where I'm sewing the crotch, the sides, and putting the band back on the pants. Ta-da! I figured it out. Okay, and here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you guys have a great day.